Right. Sometimes they forget to put in a dimension on a drawing, and you can't just guess that dimension. You actually need to calculate what the scale of the drawing is. All right, here we go. On this drawing over here, they missed out this little dimension in over here. I'm just going to highlight that. So that dimension over there has not been put in on the drawing. I need to figure out what the scale of this drawing is. The way that we do that is we take this measurement over here. It says it's 250. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure off very, very accurately what that measurement is over there. And I'm going to get that exact measurement, and that is exactly 62 millimeters. Right, 62 millimeters on the drawing. So I'm just going to write that over there, 62 millimeters on this drawing. I take my calculator and I'm going to type in 250. Let's just switch that on. 250 divided by, that's 62, and that is equal to, it says 4.03. Okay, that is basically 4. Just round that off, and you'll end up with 4. My scale for this drawing then is 1:4. Right, there we go, 1:4 scale. If I take any of these other measurements on here just to test it out, say I take this measurement over here, okay, I measure that off very accurately, I take it to my ruler over here, and I see that that is, let me just get this onto the board so that you can see it. That measurement that I just took is exactly 10 millimeters, and I multiply 10 by 4, and what will I have? It says 40. Then I know that my scale that I've calculated is correct. I can now come along here to this measurement which is missing, measure that off, and I can then measure that on my ruler over here. Let's just see what that is, and that is 8 millimeters. Okay, 8 millimeter measurement there. Take that, 8 millimeters multiplied by 4. Let's just get that in there. 8 millimeters multiplied by 4 is equal to 32 millimeters. Okay, so that distance from there to there is 32 millimeters. And you can then carry on doing your drawing. That is very important. If you don't get that measurement, it's impossible to get these arcs and everything in the right place.